Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Sour Malone tea. So I'm starting with watermelon prepare, and I'm doing one scoop of CR7. Then I'm adding watermelon stevia, 1 teaspoon. And another cup, I'm dissolving my lime Liftoff. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of sour apple stevia. And then my other cup, I'm adding ice and water, and I'm going to top it with some watermelon gummies. And then I'm going to add my sour apple and lime Liftoff to the tea. And that's how you make the Sour Malone tea. Thanks for watching.